Hi everybody, today we'll be unboxing this Construction Forces bulldozer. Let's take a closer look here. It's full function. It has 10 functions. It's in the 27 megahertz range. And let's see what else here. Showing some other vehicle here, the backhoe, which was also available but I didn't pick up, and we'll see today if I'll regret that. So let's see the side here, same thing, full function. So here's the back, and what does it say? So it can go forward and backwards and dig. Has lights and sound apparently. Okay, it looks good. I'm wondering why they're showing this one on the back when I got the bulldozer. Anywho, let's see here, 10 functions. Side says the same, and underneath, let's see here. So it takes 3 AA's in the controller, which is an odd number, but okay, and 4 AA's in the vehicle. And what's that? Shows you how to load them. 7 AA's, and it is by the Gold Lock Toys Holdings. Ever heard of that? And here it is. I got this from Canadian Tire on sale for $30. Looked like a great value. You know, after Christmas they put all these things on sale, right? I think it was $50 regular price. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, very nicely packaged. No styrofoam, which you probably all know I hate by now. And let's see here, you get the instructions. Practically says the same thing on the box. And nothing on the inside of this. And there you go. Alright, let's see the vehicle. So there's a bunch of twist ties holding it down. Holy twist ties. Okay. And absolutely nothing's loose yet. What is going on here? What's holding it down? There we go. A few more. I missed one. let's try it again. Here it is, free at last. And the controller, oh man, more tie down. Oh, finally. Okay, here's the controller. Ah, pretty awesome and realistic. Really nice features on that. Look at that. Amazing. You got your start button, your sound on or off. Oh, it's this button here. You got your horn, your lights, got your vehicle action. Your back, the bucket goes up and down. Here you got your tank action. Pretty amazing. Alright, let's open this up here. I like to put alkaline batteries in my controllers or transmitters because the voltage is higher, and usually, you know, it's not high drain, so they don't get drained quickly. And then I put in rechargeables in the vehicles. What have I got here? This is the on-off switch. And it actually has 3 channels. Amazing. So there probably must be 3 different vehicles. I mean, if they had the bulldozer, I would have definitely picked up the other 2 probably. But since we're expecting snow tomorrow, I thought this would come in handy. Wow. Look at that. With the lights here and everything. Just amazing. I'm pretty impressed with it, as you can tell. Here's the antenna tube, which I usually can't stand. But what can you do these days? This is interesting. I wonder if that's also remotely controlled. I guess we'll find out. Oh, man, more twist ties. Okay, let's put some batteries in this one. Okay, and I have 4 rechargeables for this. Okay, so here's the controllers as well. Here's on, and here's the channels over here. Okay, so we'll turn the controller on. Alright, so let's see what happens. Oh, wow. Listen to that. Yeah, realistic sounds. Let's push this horn button. Pretty awesome. Let's push the lights button. Amazing. Look at that. Okay, so let's see how we can control this. Forward, so it drives like a tank, both sticks forward, and turn, amazing. And this is for the bucket. Amazing. Look at that. And what's this? Oh yeah, you do control the back with the other lever here. And here's the mute button, or you can turn that back on. Wow. Well, looks pretty impressive. So there you have it. The Construction Forces bulldozer. So it's supposed to snow here tomorrow, and I'll probably take it outside and show you how it goes. Unfortunately, it doesn't say anything about being waterproof, so I hope it does survive that. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.